Hello everybody. We will look at the basic concept of overloading in C++. So the idea of overloading of functions in C++ is that a same function with the same name, same class, can be called with different type of arguments. Now, this is a extremely useful function to write a very readable code. For example, suppose we had a class which prints data. So typically when we would have to write print, we need to mention some the type of the variable that we have to print out. But in this case, we can create a simple print function with uh, with a print for each type of input variable. So we can have a print for an integer, print for a double, print for a string. So what this would do is every time a print, what C++ does is every time a print is called, an argument is passed. It looks at the argument type and then determines which is the correct function to be called out of these three functions. So it looks at here it is 5. It sees it is an integer argument, so it should call this print. Here it is 500.243, so it is an integer function, so it calls this print. Here it is hello C++. So it's a constant character pointer function. So it calls this print. From the user point of view, as we can clearly see here, the user doesn't have to worry what he's transferring in. All he has to do is the dot print function pass the argument, dot print function pass the argument. So this is a very basic idea of overloading. Overloading, the concept of overloading is also used very widely in constructors, so where different constructors are written and the user of the class can pick up any constructor he wants. The appropriate constructor function will get called accordingly. Okay, let us run this function and see this overloaded print function in action. So here we can see it's calling print int 5, print float 500, 243, print character hello C++. So the name of the function is same, so the user of the class doesn't have to worry what he is passing, and all he has to do is take care in the class how to handle each one of these cases, and the usage of the print function becomes, or the usage of the function